Hello, I'm in a 2016 Jeep Wrangler, and today I'm going to show you how to open the top. So obviously you need to be in from the driver's side or passenger side, depending on which side you're opening. And then so all of these little clips will turn so they all unlock. So there's one there, a third here. And then with this visor down, this will be the final release. So you'll pull that. And then yeah, like I said, once you have all of these opened up, all three of these, and this opened up, you'll just be able to push this up. And then as you can see, it's designed to just lift out. You want to be careful too so you don't scratch them up, like this one's got some damage. That's it, you just do that to both sides. So open all three clips on each side, lifting it out and then carefully putting them somewhere safe. And then you just reverse all this if you're putting the top back in. So you just set them in place, close all these clips, and then with the final of closing this for the final lock. But I hope that was helpful. Hope you have a great day.